A long time ago, in a small village, there was a poor farmer named Taro and his beautiful wife Hannah. Taro worked every day in the hot sun. He had little money, but he had a big heart. He loved his wife very much, but Hannah only cared about her beauty. She did not help in the house or in the fields. She only wanted new clothes and beauty creams. Taro tried his best to make her happy, but life was hard and he could not earn enough money. One day Hannah became very sick. She did not take care of her health. Day by day she became weaker and finally she died. Taro was heartbroken. He cried for many days. He did not want to bury her. He wanted to bring her back to life. So he sold everything he had and bought a small boat. He put Hannah's body in the boat and traveled on the river to find the land of the gods. He traveled for many days. Then one morning, heavy fog covered the river. When the fog disappeared, he saw a very tall mountain touching the clouds. "This must be the home of the gods," Taro said. He climbed the mountain with Hannah in his arms. At the top, he met an old man. Taro told him everything. The old man listened and said, "You are a good husband. If you drop 3 drops of your blood into her mouth, she will live again. But remember this. If she does something wrong, tell her she is alive because of your blood." Taro did it immediately. 3 drops of his blood fell into her mouth and Hannah opened her eyes. She was alive again. Taro was very happy, but Hannah was not. She looked at their poor clothes and remembered they had nothing now. She became worried and angry. While they were traveling home, they stopped at a busy port. A rich man saw Hannah and fell in love with her beauty. "If you come with me," he said, "I will give you everything you want." Hannah forgot her husband's love. She forgot the 3 drops of blood. She went with the rich man and left Taro alone. 1 year passed. One day Taro met Hannah again. He asked her to come home, but she refused. Taro said softly, "Remember, you live because of my 3 drops of blood." Hannah laughed. "So what? Do you want them back?" She poked her finger and let 3 drops of her own blood fall. Suddenly her face changed. She became weak. She fell to the ground. And then she changed into a small flying insect, the first mosquito, and from that day, mosquitoes fly at night and try to drink human blood, hoping to feel beautiful and alive again. And when Taro saw the mosquito flying away, he felt sad, but also calm. He finally understood something important. Love is strong, but it is not enough when one person only takes and never gives back. A relationship needs kindness, respect, and a thankful heart. Without these things, even the greatest love will slowly disappear. Hannah had beauty. She had a second life, and she had a husband who gave her everything. But she lost it all because she did not value love. From that day, people say the mosquito flies at night because it is still trying to take back the life it threw away long ago. And we remember this lesson. Always appreciate the people who love you. A thankful heart keeps love alive. An ungrateful heart destroys it. If this story made you feel something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English Shadowing Stories channel. Every story has a lesson, and together we can practice a little more every day. Thank you for being here and staying with me, because I will bring another simple but emotional story in the next video. I think you will like it. See you soon.